fire 2 rounds, and we'll go to fully automatic. Now you try that. Line your red spot up on your target.
I'm going to turn on semi-auto.
Good. It's on semi-automatic now. You okay?
Yeah.
Lean into it.
I think so.
Okay, now like I said, you're only going to have 3 rounds go off, okay?
Yes, sir.
If you lose control of it, let go of the trigger. It's going to go. And I'm going to help you hold it.
Yes, sir. I can't press the trigger.
Hang on, son. Keep your fingers off the trigger. Okay, try it.
Oh, sir, this off.
That thing, how much you hit them off? Okay, that's out now. You still got a couple more.
Think about going 3-round bursts in one time.
Okay. Keep your finger out of it. Okay. You going fully automatic?
I think so.
Okay, hang on now. Okay, that's full automatic, but I'm going to help you hold it because I don't want you getting away from you.
Yes, sir.
Go hard. That's it.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. Gunsareforfun. Can you put the target closer?
Do what?
The target closer.
Okay, yeah.